Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is me, T, right back on your screens once again, and in today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys my wash day. I am going to be using strictly Eau to the Motherlands products in today's video. I am going to be using their Soft Life shampoo and Mersea Island as the deep conditioner for today's video, for today's wash day. My hair is looking a bit but today, you guys, I normally record in the bathroom. Today I have decided that I'm going to record in the shower. I don't know how these YouTubers do it, where they shower and wash their hair and record and still look cute and not gasp for air all at once, but we're going to attempt that. Let's hope I don't die. So I'll see you guys in the shower. Without any further ado, let us get right into today's video. Alright my people, so I hope you guys will appreciate the amount of effort I'm actually putting into my videos this year. It's the first time I actually set up in the shower. I normally set up in the bathroom, but today I decided let me just set up in the shower. I'm going to be washing my hair in the shower today. Yeah, I feel like it might be a process, but we're going to be like other YouTubers. You know, other YouTubers, they are able to record in the shower, so I'm not naked. I am wearing this so that's what you're just going to be seeing today. So I'm going to be using the Essence sulfate-free shampoo as my clarifying shampoo. I wish I had the Eau to the Motherland Step 1 shampoo because I actually enjoy using that as my first shampoo, and then I'm going to go in with Soft Life. This is the first time you guys are going to be seeing me wash my hair with Soft Life. I have been loving this product offline. It smells amazing. All her products, all O's products smell freaking amazing. So I'm going to be using Soft Life. It's very airy. Let me show you guys the consistency. It has amazing ingredients, but we're going to chat about those in the voiceover. I love the consistency of it, and a little does truly go a long way. I love that it's actually more of a moisturizing shampoo than it is a clarifying. I wish, like I said, that I had the Step 1, but I don't. And then I'm going to go in with my Mersea Island. I still have some of it. You guys at this point call me an Eau to the Motherland girl because I love her products, and my hair has changed tremendously since I started using her products in terms of texture, the way it looks like, the definition. I really think Eau to the Motherland's products did play like a huge contributing factor in the improvement of my hair. So I don't know how the YouTube girls do it. Do they close the shower door? Do they open it? Does water just run? I've never done this, guys, so I think I might close the shower door or not. For the first few clips I won't, just so we can, you know, be those chicks that are aesthetic. But I don't know how people do this because this is a camera. There's steam in here. I think I'll leave the door open so that some steam goes out so that it doesn't damage my camera. I don't know how people do this. The window's open, so yeah, let's get into washing this hair. So I'm first going to start by ensuring that my hair is fully saturated in water while I acclimatize to working around the shower. The trick is tilting your head upward kind of vibe so that you prevent the water from coming down your forehead, you know. And everyone in the family wanted to see how I was recording in the shower, hence you see me talking over there. And I suggest anytime you are going to be embarking on your wash day journey, please make sure that you are washing your hair in sections. Not just that, if you can, put your hair up in twists and then use clips to section out to put away the hair to the side so that you can focus and work your way around each section in a calm manner and in a thorough manner. I know I said I'm going to be keeping this strictly Eau to the Motherland, but I am out of my Step 1 shampoo. I don't know why I thought I had more, but I didn't. So I used the Essence. I have a full video on the Essence shampoo, conditioner. No, they don't have a conditioner. They do, and I will link that up for you guys so you can see that. And then once you're done clarifying your hair, you're going to move on to a more softer, more gentle moisturizing shampoo. I'm using Soft Life from Eau to the Motherland. This has some cool ingredients like oat milk, some hibiscus, okra, some mint extracts. It has cannabis sativa, hemp seed oil. It has oat flour. It has some really cool stuff, some cinnamon bark. I think that's what makes it smell nice. Oh yes. And this is how my hair looks after rinsing. You guys can tell that it's happy. My curls are still there. They're still, you know, showing up for me. The reason why I suggest you use 2 shampoos is that the first one is to clarify your hair. It's to remove all the product buildup, all this tough stuff, the oils, the product buildup, the gunk, all of that. And then the second shampoo, your moisturizing shampoo, is the one that's going to rebalance your hair. Then I'm going to move into Mersea Island. I have a dedicated video on this deep conditioner. I absolutely love it. I didn't sit under my hooded dryer. I did spend about 2 hours with the conditioner on my hair, slap on a shower cap, and you are Gucci. You are good. You are done. Do I like the shower? I think I do. I really do. Okay, you guys, because it's actually quite late today, I went to go run some errands, and under here I've been deep conditioning and using body heat. I've been going up and down. I had to go buy dinner, so I am going to be taking off the scarf with you guys. I have a shower cap under, and I'm going to show you guys how my hair looks like. I would like to believe that I deep conditioned for more than an hour, so maybe an hour and a half. I'm not sure. I was not actually conscious of the time, but let us take off this and see how my hair looks like. And then I'm going to go off camera quickly and rinse it off. It feels very warm. Like, the plastic itself feels very warm. I'm actually glad that there was no need for me to put on my hooded dryer for today, because I actually didn't have time for that. And it's, oh yes, oh, I missed this. I missed my hair feeling healthy again. It feels like a cloud. Do you know what a cloud is? An actual cloud. Wow, let me zoom in. My hair felt absolutely amazing. It felt soft and it felt healthier again. It felt moisturized more than anything. And I want you guys to keep in mind that on your wash day, that's when you're going to be receiving the most amount of moisture on your hair until your next wash day. And hence why you have to ensure, and I urge you guys to use products that are of quality with quality ingredients, because it's those ingredients that are included in the formula that will be able to improve the overall health of your hair and add like volume, repair your hair, your ends, all of those stuff that you know conditioner should do. You must ensure that it actually does it 110%. You must feel the effects of the deep conditioner on your hair, especially after long periods of time. And hence why I love Oats products, because I can actually see the improvement of my hair. Somebody the other day complimented my texture, so I know that it's definitely different. Because what happens from an environmental perspective is that the earth, the sun, you know, the wind, it evaporates the moisture out of your hair, it sucks it out of your hair. So I suggest that you use good quality products. I look tired, guys. Yo, it's been a long day, and I can't believe I was able to squeeze in like a wash day within the day I had. But it's okay. I will moisturize tomorrow morning. I'll probably record what products I'll be using to moisturize with you guys. But you know what, I like how my hair turned out. I think after, if I rinse it off, it's not going to behave any differently. It normally doesn't, so I don't expect for my hair to behave any differently from what it normally does. You guys must let me know what other deep conditioners I should try, different brands. I'm very open to it, like I've been saying. Let me know which brands you guys want me to try next, because this year is the year of deep conditioning. We are going to be using a lot of deep conditioner this year, because I just want to see, because there's somebody that said that they deep conditioned their hair bi-weekly and it changed their hair. So I don't know if I have that kind of money, but we're going to try to see if we can be able to deep condition bi-weekly. I don't know if bi-weekly is too excessive. I don't know. We will see. How many times do you guys deep condition in a month? That's because I deep condition twice each month. Let me know in the comment section, how many times do you deep condition in a month? And then please recommend different types of deep conditioners that I can try from different brands actually, and let me know, and I'll keep it in mind when I go shopping, because I am officially out of deep conditioners. Official. All I'm left with is a lot of shampoos. I think it just happens that way. Which one normally gets finished first before you? Is it your deep conditioner or your shampoo? I know it's always for me, it's always my deep conditioner. So I don't want to make this video too long, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for showing up. Please make sure that the notification bells are on, because some people have been saying that YouTube is acting devilish, but it's fine. Make sure that your notification bells is on, and like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.